Hey everyone, I am Erica and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. I am super pumped you are here today because we are talking about a chair that finally fits big and tall bodies without feeling like a kid's seat, the GABRYLLY ergonomic office chair for big and tall. If you're over 6 foot, 250 pounds, or just tired of chairs that creak, pinch, or leave you sore after 1 hour, this one is built for you. Picture a wide seat that actually holds you, a backrest that reaches your shoulders, and arms that flip up so you can slide in easily. No more squeezing or wincing. This chair gives real support for long work days, gaming nights, or study marathons, all for under $350. No fancy office store prices, just solid comfort that lasts. Stick around because by the end, you will see why the GABRYLLY big and tall chair is a game changer for bigger folks who want to sit happy. And hey, grab it with the link in the description. You support the channel and get the best deal on Amazon. Let us jump into the features that make this chair a winner. First, the seat is 22 inches wide and 20 inches deep, plenty of room for bigger hips and thighs. The cushion is thick foam that stays firm but soft, wrapped in breathable mesh so you never feel hot. The backrest is 24 inches tall with a curved lumbar pad that pushes gently into your lower back, plus an extra pillow you can move up or down. The headrest adjusts too, so tall people get real neck support. Height goes from 18 to 22 inches, perfect for desks or high counters. Arms flip up 90 degrees and adjust in 3 ways, height, width, and forward back, so your elbows rest just right. The recline locks in 4 positions from 90 to 135 degrees with a tension knob you twist to match your weight up to 400 pounds. The base is heavy-duty metal with big quiet wheels that roll on carpet or wood. The whole chair weighs 45 pounds but feels rock solid. Assembly takes 20 minutes with clear steps and all tools included. Colors are black or grey, simple and clean. Priced around $329, it beats big brand big and tall chairs by hundreds. Now the honest scoop, pros and cons from weeks of daily use. Pros first. 1. The wide seat and tall back fit 6'5", 300-pound testers with room to spare. 2. Flip arms make getting in and out easy, great for tight spaces. 3. 400-pound weight limit and metal frame mean no creaks or wobbles. 4. Breathable mesh keeps you cool even in summer. 5. Adjustable everything, headrest, lumbar, arms, recline, height so you dial in perfect fit. 6. Smooth wheels and easy assembly win for anyone. Overall, it cuts back pain, boosts focus, and feels like it will last years. Cons to keep it real. 1. The seat cushion is firm, some like softer padding. 2. The headrest pillow can slide if you lean hard. 3. Recline stops at 135 degrees, not full flat for napping. 4. The lumbar pillow is thick, shorter people might remove it. 5. At 45 pounds, moving it solo takes muscle. Bottom line, pros win big for big and tall users. If you need space, strength, and support without crazy cost, this chair delivers. Not for petite frames or full recline sleepers, but for real big bodies at real desks, it is a home run. My recommendation, get the GABRYLLY ergonomic office chair for big and tall today. It is the smart way to sit strong and work long. Click the referral link in the description to buy on Amazon with the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Your back will high-five you. Quick call to action, subscribe for more big guy gear that works, and click the link to keep the reviews coming. What is your number one chair wish? Tell me below. Thanks for watching, you legends. If this helped, like, share, or subscribe for more. See you next time.